There are two ways to log into the portal. For the first option, type ntab.online/dpsslg into your browser's address bar. For the second option, go to dpssilaguri.com and then click on ERP Login in the top menu. Once you are on the login page, enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Click on the symbol in the top left corner to view the menu options. From the options displayed, click on Student Information. Next, scroll down the menu and click on Student Reports. In the sub-menu that appears, click Student Reports once more. You are now on the Student Report page. Click the Select Report drop-down menu and type NA. For students up to Class 10, click Name List. For students in Classes 11 and 12, click Name List 11-12. Then, select the appropriate class section. After making your selection, click outside the drop-down menu. Once the required fields are selected, click the Display button. The name list will appear below. To save it, click PDF Export. Choose a location on your computer to save the file. Give it a file name such as 5B and click Save to download the name list. The downloaded name list will be visible in your recent download history. Click on the file name to open it. The name list will open as a PDF document. To print it, click the Print icon. To customize the name list, click Excel Export. A Save As window will open. Choose a location to save the Excel version of the name list, then click Save. For Excel customization, you can watch subsequent sections of this video and then make a copy to get multiple printouts as and when needed. This concludes the video on generating and saving student reports.